What is YouTube? My name is Arthur, back again with another video. So today we're going to take a look at signal strike indicator. Of course, this is an indicator that gives you buy and sell signals. As you can see, you get buy and sell signals every time and stuff like that. And this indicator is good for spot trading or even futures trading or derivative trading and stuff like that. And in this video, we're gonna pretty much discuss which time frame is better for signal strike, of course, and how exactly I use signal strike. And I'm gonna expose some secrets that I've found very interesting when I use signal strike. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into it without wasting any time. So as you can see, I'm looking at Bitcoin chart, of course, and this is 1 hour time frame. And you'd notice that signal strike pretty much give you buy and sell signals every time. So of course, a lot of people are asking me which exchange can you use to apply signal strike indicator on, and you can pretty much apply this indicator on almost all the crypto exchanges and stuff like that, including Bybit, Vala, and Luna and stuff like that. If you have got these crypto exchanges, then you're good to go. But I want to show you a strategy in how exactly I use signal strike. So first thing first, I want to know the environment that I'm in. So if let's say I'm looking for opportunities, or I want to buy some Bitcoin, or I want to open futures position, of course I'm gonna start with daily, because they're gonna give me overall analysis of what kind of environment I'm in. So let's say I'm looking for buying opportunities, or I want to go long on Bitcoin, right? I'm gonna start with daily, because it's gonna give me the overall analysis of what kind of environments I'm in. So currently you can see that I've got a buy signal right here, meaning that the price is more likely to go up. Then I know that I'm in an uptrend, you know what I mean? So now I have to start looking for opportunities. Where exactly should I enter? And these are all the strategies that I use. If you have seen me making up to 500% or 1000%, it's the same strategy that I use right here. This is exactly the strategy that I use, you know what I mean? So I started 4 hour, of course, and 4 hour is gonna pretty much tell me if there's an opportunity to take advantage of. As you can see, currently the price has been going up, and if I take a look at right here, you can see that this is a strong support for the price of Bitcoin, because previously Bitcoin has been finding support right there, another support right there, another one right here, and you can also see another one right here. So basically Bitcoin has been finding support on this line. So as you can see, currently we got this buy signal right here, and currently the price is going up. You know what I mean? So this is a strong signal telling us that the price is more likely to go up in the nearest future. But you can also see that there's a strong resistance right here, right? So most likely Bitcoin price is gonna respect this resistance right here, and this is where we're more likely to get a sell signal. So how exactly do I use this indicator? Well, I use an alert. So let me tell you how exactly I use this indicator. I go to signal strike settings and then add an alert. So what I mean is, whenever I get a buy or sell signal, I get an alert on my phone telling me that, well, it's time to buy or sell. You know what I mean? So that I won't miss these signals in time. So what I do is I go to signal strike and click where it's using an alert right here. It's gonna pop up and you're gonna see your signal strike indicator right there. If you have got other indicators, they're also gonna show up right here, but let's start with signal strike. So right here you have to choose the kind of an alert you want to get. Is it a buy signal or a sell signal? If you are looking for long position and stuff like that, or long opportunities, then you have to leave it on buy alert, right? And if you're looking for sell opportunities and stuff like that, and you're gonna have to make sure that you leave it on sell, so that whenever sell signal comes, you get an alert in your phone. And that's also one good feature about signal strike. So let's leave it on buy alert, of course, and right here you have to leave on the same as the charts, right? This is the time frame right here. And after figuring out your settings, all you have to do is just to click create. So after you create, of course, you're simply gonna get these buy and sell signals. So you can use these signals for spot trading, of course, and for futures trading as well. But these signals, but you're gonna get these signals in real time. So let's take a look at 1 hour. Let's try to zoom in and see if there's anything. So as you can see, within 1 hour there's a sell signal popping up right here, meaning that maybe the price can pretty much go down a little bit and hang around right here before it explodes, right? So if you're looking for good entries, and especially if you're trading futures trading, make sure you start from maybe 15 minutes time frame to get better entries and stuff like that. Let's take a look at Ethereum, of course. Let me take Ethereum from Coinbase, right, and see if there's anything. As you can see, we're getting these signals exactly at the bottom and exactly at the top, and this is exactly what you need if you're trading futures trading, because you don't want to get signals in the middle of a chart. You know what I mean? The middle of uptrend or downtrend, you want to get exactly at the top or at the bottom. That's very, very good if you want to trade futures trading or open positions on with leverage and stuff like that. So let's take a look at 15 minutes time frame right here and see what we got. As you can see, with 15 minute time frame, I get good perfect entries for futures trading. As you can see, you can take a look at previous signals, like for example, around this time area today around 7, I got this sell signal. Price exactly went down accordingly. You know what I mean? And then found the bottom right here, we got another signal right here, the price went up, right? Currently we have got this sell signal right here, it's just waiting for confirmation, but you can see that the price is now going down a little bit. Exactly also on 1 hour time frame, as you can see, we got this sell signal and the price is pushing downwards. You know what I mean? So this is a clear indication that the price is going to go down a little bit and then continue the upside, because on the 4 hour right here, I've got this sell signal right here, and this sell signal is pushing the price down, of course, and there's a lot of noise right here. So this is signal strike, and this is exactly how I use signal strike. It works perfect with futures trading or spot trading as well. And if you want to get perfect signals, make sure you filter this out by using high energy candlesticks right here. And you can see that this high energy candlestick is going to filter out all the noise that you get, right? So basically, if it's an uptrend, all the candlestick turn green, right? And if it's a downtrend, of course, all the candlestick turn red. So high energy candlesticks plus signal strike, you get a good combo and best signals, you know what I mean, for futures trading. So this is it, guys. My name is Arthur. If you want signal strike indicator, the link is going to be in the description below as well, or you can just go to heavycryptouniversity.online right here, and signal strike is right here. This is a very good indicator and is still on a discount. Let me know what you're thinking in the comment section below as well. But other than that, my name is Arthur, and therefore, guys, this is a video. You can DM me if you have got any questions. Love and peace, guys, and cheers, guys.